Hey guys, today it's another lovely day in Japan. It's super early, it's only 15 minutes past 7 in the morning and I'm on my way to the Keio Plaza Hotel to be picked up there for a day trip to Mount Fuji. And the weather is amazing, so I'm super excited and I hope you are too, because I'm bringing you along today.
Pushing out her head over the high clouds, looking down on all the other surrounding mountains, hearing thunder rumbling far down below. Fuji is number one mountain in Japan. はい。
everyone. So I just had a lovely day trip outside of Tokyo and I went to see Mount Fuji. It was really nice. Only unfortunate thing is that it's not really next to Tokyo, but that you have to drive 2.5 hours to get there. So in total, in between attractions that we visited, I was like in a bus for 7 hours, and that's really not a fun thing because it really hurt my back, and of course it's quite boring. But yeah, it was worth it because the mountain was really beautiful, and as you saw also the waterfalls were amazing. And I'm back in the city now. It's 8:45 I think, and I'm on my way now to get some food, so I hope that there will be place for me in the restaurant that I'm planning to go to. So yeah, see you in a bit. I just came back from dinner and it was really good, especially the gyoza, the dumplings that you saw. They were super tasty, and yeah, overall the food was just good. The portions were small, so it was like tapas, like you had to choose different kind of dishes to get a full meal. And it was a really cute cafe, and the girls there were very lovely. I will link the cafe down below if you want to try it. And I also went to the supermarket and I got some new stuff for tomorrow for breakfast and just some things to snack on and to drink. So this is what I got. I got some orange juice, some melon, some peach tea, some Fanta with watermelon flavor I think, and some plain chips. I find it so hard to go to the store here in Tokyo because you cannot read anything on the package if you don't speak Japanese. Like, you see, you just can't tell if something is vegan, and that's so difficult. So I'm just guessing on these products because they obviously look very vegan. But other than that, I can not buy anything, like no bread, no salads or whatever. So that's a bit annoying. So you're really restricted to eating at vegan restaurants if you're a vegan in Japan who does not speak Japanese. So that's good to know if you're going here. However, there are plenty of vegan and vegetarian restaurants. I think there really are a lot. There's never one far away. I think if you look on Happy Cow app, it's always a vegan place within like 10-minute walk. So that's quite a lot, not a problem at all. And they're also not overcrowded. They're like, there are people there, so it's cozy, but there's often a spot left, so you can just go and you don't need a reservation. So that's super easy. And yeah, overall I really like it. All the food I've had so far has been really awesome. So yeah, the food here is super high quality, so that's awesome. So yeah, it's late now. It's 10:10 and I'm going to edit this video, and after that I'm going to take a shower, call my family and go to bed. Because tomorrow I'm going to have a city day again and I want to do a lot of exploring, and I hope you will come visit my video again tomorrow. So yeah, see you tomorrow guys. Bye!